Good morning, students. Okay, we are going to start the second day in the online class. Yesterday, I have taught you the second chapter, first two exercise and illustration. Okay, so I plan to complete today the receipts and payments account, the remaining three illustration as well as the exercise. Okay, so let us be little hurry. Okay, just listen. From the following particulars of Chennai Sports Club, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Opening cash balance, bank balance, interest paid, telephone expense, upkeep of ground, life membership fees received, bats and balls purchased, subscriptions received 3 years, tournament expense, tournament fund received, closing balance of cash given. Okay, with this we are going to prepare the receipts and payments account. First you should write the question number. Okay, when you do the answer, write the question number, then write the heading. First one in the books of Chennai Sports Club. You should use both the pages, okay, in the notebook, accountancy notebook. Then in the second line, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now receipts, debit side, then to amount column, credit side payments to amount column. First one, opening cash balance. Okay, so that one should be written as to balance brought down, cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay, inner column you write the amount in the outer column. Then second item, interest paid, so it will be coming on the credit side by interest paid. Then telephone expenses, payment, so by telephone expenses. Upkeep of grounds, that also expense. Life membership fees received, that is receipt. Okay, life membership fees. Then bats and balls purchased, payment, bats and balls. Okay, then the subscriptions is received, it is receipt. So debit side to subscriptions, don't write this received, paid. Okay, receipts, payments, that you can write, but received and all no need to write. Then both 3 years we have to write, add and write in the outer column. Then tournament expenses, payment. Tournament fund receipt, here tournament fund receipt. Okay, you can write in order. Okay, then closing balance of cash, by balance carried on cash we have to write. This 5,000 we have to write with the pencil here, and you should write all the add and find out. First this side. Okay, this will be, this is more because many more items, isn't it? Not more items, more amount. So add and check. This side we will get less, so subtract and find out, that is called bank. Bank, cash at bank also you can write, or simply bank, balancing figure. Okay, now fourth, from the following particulars of Poombugar Literary Association, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March. Okay, opening cash balance. Okay, we will start. Okay, doing the problem. Write the number, then write first one, in the books of Poombugar Literary Association. The next line, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Debtor, creditor, then debit side, left hand side receipts rupees to amount column, payments also to amount column rupees you write. What is the first item given? Opening cash in hand. Okay, so we should write to balance brought down cash in hand. Second item, bank overdraft, so this will appear on the credit side. So by balance brought down, bank overdraft. Okay, 4,000. Then printing and stationery, payment. Then interest paid, payment by interest. Sale of investment, it is sale of investment, it is receipt. Okay, then purchase of refreshments, payment. Outstanding salary you should understand, it is what, the salary we have not paid, so this will not appear anywhere. Okay, it is not nowhere. Then lighting charges, payment. Okay, then subscription received, it is receipt. Repairs and renewals, payment. Okay, repairs and renewals. Then conveyance paid. Conveyance, okay, expense, payment. Then book purchased, payment. Okay, insurance premium paid, payment. Then sundry receipt, it is receipt. Government grant received, receipt. Sale of refreshment, receipt. Then depreciation on building, this is also non-cash item. Cash is not paid anywhere. So this one also will not appear. Then the last one, cash at bank given. Okay, so by balance carried on, first we should write cash at bank. Now we have to add and find out. The difference is cash in hand. Okay, here you see the note they have given. Outstanding salary and depreciation are the non-cash items. Both are to be excluded in receipts and payments account. Now the fifth illustration. Okay, directly we will come to the solution. Okay, in the books of Vellore Recreation Club, okay, that name only we should write first in the books of. Okay, find out from there, Vellore Recreation Club. The next one, that don't write this word prepare. Okay, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Then you should write debtor, creditor, then receipts, here payments, to amount column, rupees. Okay. First one, opening cash balance, opening bank balance. So how it should be written? To balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay, 2. Then furniture purchased, it is payment. Sports equipment purchased, payment. Purchased, you don't write furniture, buy sports equipments. Then donation received for pavilion, donation for pavilion. Sale of old tennis ball, receipt. Newspaper bought, it is payment. Traveling expense, payment. Receipt from entertainment, receipt. Admission fees received, receipt. Municipal tax, payment. Okay, expense of charity show, payment. Billiards table purchased, payment. Construction of new tennis court, payment. Receipt from charity show, receipt. Then now closing balance of cash in hand. So we should write by balance carried down, cash in hand. Find out the difference. Here only very less amount, isn't it? 20, 35. But here 11, 11, 22, then for 22, 22, 44. So more amount is there. So here we have to be careful. Okay, it is coming on the debit side. So that is called to balance carry down bank overdraft. Okay, now shall we do the 3 exercise. Okay, third one. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payments account of Madurai Mother Teresa Magalir Mantram for the year ended 31st December 2018. So that we will come to the solution also. Okay, receipts and payments account. In the books of Madurai Mother Teresa Magalir Mantram. Okay, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Here I have used only one page, but you should use 2 pages. Okay, so you keep the book in front of you. Okay, please take the book in front of you. Page number 71. Okay, I will tell you in order that here receipts, here payments. Okay. First one, cash balance. 2, balance brought down, cash, bank. Okay. Now, 2, sale of old newspaper. That is receipt. Next item, stationery purchased. So, by stationery purchased. Then, audit fees paid, payment by audit fees. Then, entrance fees received. 2, entrance fees. Sundry charges, by sundry charges. Scholarships given, by scholarships given. Interest on investment, it is received. Okay, fire insurance premium paid, so it is payment by fire insurance premium. Then subscription received, it is receipt, so to subscription. Furniture purchased, it is payment by furniture. Purchase of newspaper by newspapers. Depreciation on furniture, that will not come. Okay, depreciation will not come because it is non-cash item. Then cash balance closing given. Before that, two items given, that you should write first. Okay, conveyance paid by conveyance. Then sale of furniture to sale of furniture. Now we should balance this one, write all the amount, check which side we get more, here only we get more. So write that total both the side, then find out the difference and write that one here. To balance carry down, bank overdraft. Okay. Third problem you might have understood. Now we will see the fourth one. Okay, turn to the next page, fourth one. Mayiladuthurai. So Mayiladuthurai Recreation Club. Then in the books of you should write. Okay, in the books of Mayiladuthurai Recreation Club, fully you have to write receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, then receipts, payments. To balance brought down. To balance brought down, cash, bank, both given. Donation received, 2 donations. Then sale of old equipments. Okay, to sale of old equipments. Refreshment charges, it is expense by refreshment charges. Club annual day collection, that is receipt. Club annual day collection. Construction of tennis court, it is payment. Receipts from charity show. Okay, receipt. Rent paid, payment. Salary of watchman, payment. Okay, then club annual day expense, payment. Lighting charges, payments. Okay, then entertainment expenses, payments. Billiard table purchased. Then expense of charity show, same thing, expense of charity show. Sale of investment, receipt. Sale of investment, receipt. Okay, and closing cash balance. By balance carry down, cash. So you should add with the pencil, you add and check. Okay, here only we get more. Write that amount here. From this amount what we get, we have to subtract, find out the balance and write here. Okay, fourth one. Now fifth one. Kadalur, in the books of Kadalur Kabaddi Association. Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Opening cash. Here receipts, payments, debtor, creditor, everything we should write. To balance brought down, cash in hand. The next one, bank overdraft. So by balance brought down, bank overdraft. Next one, stationery purchased. It is payment. So by stationery. Traveling expenses, payment. So by traveling expenses. Dividend received, receipt. So to dividend, received no need. Okay. General expenses, payment by general expenses. Then admission fees, that is a receipt. Okay, admission fees. To admission fees. Then courier charges, expense, courier charges. Municipal taxes paid, payment. Okay. Interest and bank charges, that also payment. Interest and bank charges. Miscellaneous income, so to miscellaneous income. Upkeep of ground. Okay, then grant from government, receipt. Telephone charges paid. Okay, payment. Then endowment fund receipt, so it is a receipt. Insurance premium paid by insurance premium. Electricity charges paid by electricity charges. Now closing cash balance given. Okay, so by balance carry down, cash in hand. Now we should find out the total, which side more, credit side, payment side. So write that amount both the side, find out this total and subtract it and write the difference here. Okay, So we have completed all the 5 exercise and illustrations. Okay, the other 2 I will explain in the next class. Okay students, thank you very much.